accuracy? Let us begin with Gener AI.
Sure, Harry. Haro,
What is generative AI?
generative AI refers to algorithms that can generate new content from learned data patterns, such as images, music, or text.
Key concepts here are generative models, content creation, define it clearly and connect it to a practical example. Common mistakes candidates make here are confusing it with predictive analytics. What are some applications of generative AI?
Applications include AI generated art, music composition, and even automating content for marketing, enhancing creativity.
Key concepts here are AI applications, creative industries. Mention both common and emerging applications. Common mistakes candidates make here are neglecting niche applications. How does generative AI affect jobs?
It automates mundane tasks, allowing humans to focus on creative aspects, but poses risk of job displacement in certain sectors.
Key concepts here are job market implications, automation, discuss both positive and negative outcomes. Common mistakes candidates make here are focusing solely on automation. What are the limitations of generative AI?
Limitations include ethical concerns, bias in generated content, and challenges with the interpretability of algorithms.
Key concepts here are ethics in AI, algorithmic bias, highlight ethical considerations. Common mistakes candidates make here are overlooking potential biases. What principles guide the design of generative AI models?
Key principles include model robustness, minimizing bias, and ensuring transparency in training data usage.
Key concepts here are model design, ethics in AI, discuss design principles in depth. Common mistakes candidates make here are neglecting user privacy. Can you implement a function to generate random text based on a given seed?
Sure, I would use a list of words for vocabulary and NLTK for random selection. Here is how it could look. 5.
Key concepts here are random text generation, natural language processing, focus on structure and logic. Common mistakes candidates make here are not using a diverse vocabulary. Can you implement a function to summarize a paragraph?
I would utilize the NLTK library for sentence tokenization and frequency analysis to summarize. Here's how. CASCOM.
Key concepts here are text summarization, natural language processing. Explain your approach clearly. Common mistakes candidates make here are summarizing too much or too little. Can you structure a simple GAN for image generation?
Yes, I would set up two neural networks, generator and discriminator. Here's a basic structure.
Key concepts here are generative adversarial networks, deep learning, emphasize neural network structure. Common mistakes candidates make here are not applying regularization. Can you implement a basic reinforcement learning agent?
Certainly, I would create an agent using Q-learning. Here's a basic outline.
Key concepts here are reinforcement learning, Q-learning, detail the learning mechanism. Common mistakes candidates make here are skipping exploration strategies. How do you evaluate model accuracy?
I would calculate the ratio of correct predictions to total predictions. Here is a sample function.
Key concepts here are model evaluation, accuracy metrics. Explain accuracy contextually. Common mistakes candidates make here are ignoring false positives and negatives. That concludes the interview.
Thank you, Harry.
Subscribe for more advanced interview sessions. For such content, do like, subscribe and share.